The research that we're actually interested in is both traumatic brain injury and Alzheimer's disease. And so there's a link between the two. And the research that we're currently doing is kind of studying the mechanisms that go on between these two in hopes that one day we'll be able to kind of treat traumatic brain injury in a little better way. So we have some really cool techniques in the lab. We use a mouse that's genetically altered to kind of express a human protein called amyloid beta, which is a key player in Alzheimer's disease. At the same time, we've developed a surgery procedure that actually kind of mimics what we see in traumatic brain injury that's specific for humans. We are very interested in the underlying mechanisms of these two diseases, traumatic brain injury and Alzheimer's. And what we've learned is that by putting these models together, we've kind of uncovered the biology that links the two processes. And this is in the hopes that one day we'll be able to actually kind of intervene in these mechanisms to produce a better outcome in traumatic brain injury patients. So what we're seeing is that animals that have a traumatic brain injury have pretty profound learning and memory problems. And by going in and giving a drug all the way up to a week after this injury, initial injury, we're seeing that these mice no longer have the same memory problems. We've really improved their cognition greatly. Well, I think the implications for this are vastly important. This was actually, traumatic brain injury is the major injury of both the Afghanistan as well as the Iraq wars. Besides that, over 1.5 million Americans have a traumatic brain injury every year. This research that we've kind of been working on really has both a huge impact socially as well as economically in the future.